Keep a snake plant in your bathroom and you won't believe what happens. It's one of the best plants for this space, and the reasons are plenty. Not only does it add a beautiful decorative touch, but it also improves the air quality. A snake plant produces oxygen both during the day and at night, filling your bathroom with fresh, clean air. It also acts as a natural filter, absorbing harmful substances that may be present. On top of that, this plant has antibacterial properties and helps reduce mold growth, which is especially important in a humid bathroom environment. It even releases moisture into the air, improving the microclimate, particularly during the heating season when the air tends to be dry. Another big advantage is its easy care. The snake plant doesn't need frequent watering or much light, which makes it perfect even for bathrooms without windows. Place one in your bathroom and you'll enjoy not only a stylish look, but also fresher, healthier air. With it, your bathroom becomes not just functional, but also a space that supports your well-being.